Hello folks, and welcome once again to Blackjack Motorcars LLC. We're located in Brandon, right near the intersection of I-75 and Florida Highway 60. Our number is 813-340-0918. We work by an appointment. So anytime you see anything here you'd like to see, just give us a call. We'll make arrangements to meet you and show you anything you want to see. Today we have a beautiful car here. This is a 2003 Corvette, but not just any 2003. This is the 50th anniversary edition. 50th anniversary edition came with special wheels, special paint color, special interior color with embroidery for the 50th anniversary on the seats. This is a great example. This car only has 53,000 miles on it. It's been driven. It hasn't been in a closet, but it's been driven sparingly and well taken care of. You can see the special 50th anniversary emblems that are on it. Instead of having the chrome wheels, it has a special colored powder coated wheels that came on this car. This is just a beautiful example. It's an automatic transmission, runs great. Car even has, these cars came originally with Goodyear Eagle run flats, and the ones on the front are almost brand new. The ones on the back could use replacing. I'm going to tell you what. You buy the car, some people don't like run flat tires, so you have your choice. We'll either put two brand new run flats on the back of the car so that they all match and they're all new, or if you don't like run flats, we'll take them off. We'll put a set of 4 non-run flat tires on it. Your choice. Has Borla exhaust, K&N air filter for a little more free flow exhaust. Everything works on the car. Air is cold. Has the heads-up display. It also will look inside here. The radio's been replaced with a nav unit. It has navigation, backup camera. You can play your iPad. They even put a quick cable in here that you can plug your iPhone into. You can see the 50th anniversary stitching here. Also has the selective ride on it, which was an option. Power everything. Here's the seats with the embroidery on the seats. I'm showing it with the top down. The top's in perfect condition here. That just flips up. And I'll pull it up here. You can see the top is in awesome shape. These have a glass back window, of course, with a defroster in it. This is just a beautiful car. It's not priced in the stratosphere like a lot of these you see. Most of these cars, you look online, they're well over $20,000. This car's well under that. We bought it right. We're going to sell it right. So if you've been wanting one of these, please give us a call, 813-340-0918, and come see it and take it for a test drive, and we'll sure you'll like it. Thanks for visiting Blackjack Motorcars, where you'll never go bust. Have a great day.